General Chiwenga deserves a fair crack at the Zimbabwean presidency, not as a favor, not as a consolation, not as a managed transition negotiated in backrooms between factions whose primary interest is the continuation of their own arrangements. Sanabena Mashoko Mnangagwa inochongwa VP Kosalo Chiwenga is now speaking the truth plainly. Achiudza nekukonfronta zvigananda directly. About subscribe or like on the bell icon. And Rampiri Pangwara Yorajiti is a right and painful, documented in the history of this republic. He has every attribute that the presidency demand, every single one: the military record, the command experience, the strategic mind, the liberation credentials, the institutional standing, the popular legitimacy given not by a party conference or a parliamentary vote, but by hundreds of thousands of Zimbabweans who filled the streets of Harare on the 18th of November 2017 and said with their bodies what no ballot paper had yet been able to say. The survival, the resilience, the faith, the capacity demonstrated this very Saturday is a Catholic Church in Mrewa to speak truth to power in the one language and the one space that power cannot silence. He has everything, and he is being blocked by people who have nothing except what his sacrifices gave him. On the betrayal, the Blair Brown parallel is instructive, and I want to develop it because it captures everything about the psychology of political betrayal that the Chiwenga situation embodies with painful precision. Tony Blair and Gordon Brown had a covenant. It was not written, it was not legally enforceable, but it was real, understood by both men, witnessed by those around them, and foundational to the political project that brought New Labour to power in 1997. The covenant was simple: Blair would lead. Global developments are panguva ino atiri kuona kuti at the moment tiri kuona chipomusarurwa anouya achindoza VP Kosalo Chiwenga chiti he must lead the nation. Pena kumasection medu dzavhungura iyi moti kuti pamusoro pechitiko ichi, subscribe or like chitomba bell icon.